Hello friends, how are you all? You must be safe and healthy, following all precautions and instructions issued by different government agencies. You would have noticed that so far I was shooting my videos in Cape Town. Through my previous videos, I received a lot of love from you guys. Now my husband and I have arrived in India. In fact, we have not yet reached to our final destination, which is Jodhpur in Rajasthan. This is Corona time. To travel in this pandemic time is not really easy. We must be very careful while traveling, otherwise, we all know the consequences. We started our journey from Cape Town and are supposed to reach Jodhpur via Johannesburg and Delhi. But as I said, to travel in COVID-19 pandemic is not so easy. You guys must be waiting for my next videos to get my exotic and fascinating recipes. But I can only shoot my videos after I reach Jodhpur. Our COVID-19 swab tests have been conducted and therefore we are waiting for the results. We travelled by a repatriation flight of Vande Bharat mission from Johannesburg to Delhi. We have been observing all the precautions since we left home in Cape Town. During the journey, we also observed that airport staff, flight crew members, government authorities and many others who we came across were observing all possible precautions. Having all that in mind and with the grace of God, we believe that our COVID-19 test results will be negative. What do you think? Please write in the comments. And also, I request you all to pray for us. If the results come out to be negative, we will reach to our destination very soon and can start shooting videos in Mrs. Bora's kitchen, of course at a new place. The other thing is, do you want to know what preparations we made before we started the journey and what precautions we took during the journey to keep ourselves and others safe from the virus, and what other things, good and bad, we observed or saw at different places during our still uncompleted journey? Apart from this, do you also want to know our sweet and sour experiences that we had so far? If yes or even no, please write in comments. This first-hand information may be very useful for those who intend to travel during this pandemic time. Thank you.